What's up, Puch fans? In this video we will be testing a exhaust, and not just a simple exhaust, no, it's back, and it's called the Tecno Snake. A very, well, sleek looking but still a pretty big expansion exhaust, and we will be testing it by doing a 0 to 50 to keep it legal, a dB test just to know how much sound you're gonna make. But first let's take a look how this actually fits or doesn't fit. Just a tip. There we go. And for the people that were wondering if this will fit together with a center stand, well, it doesn't. So you need to have a side stand or you're not gonna have a stand at all. Okay, let's put the dB meter to the test and see how much sound this makes. We think it's a lot. It sounds like a quite the off-road machine, so to say. Yeah, let's give it a go.